Welcome once again. Let's learn another law of chemical composition, chemical combination, that is law of multiple proportion. It's very important. Short. It comes for 5-mark question in your annual exam paper. So pay attention and learn it now. It's subtopic number 1.5.3, law of multiple proportions. Very important law of multiple proportions. It's given by, enunciated by Daltons in the year 1803. Okay. Now write the statement. Take the screenshot and write the statement. For to understand this law, just consider for your example water, right? H2O. Understood? Another example with water is hydrogen peroxide, H2O2. ठीक है? Cuprous oxide, cupric oxide, sulfur dioxide, SO2, sulfur trioxide, various oxides of nitrogen like nitrous oxide, nitrogen dioxide, nitrogen trioxide, tetraoxide, pentoxide. So these are all the examples of law of multiple proportion. Now come to the statement. When two elements, okay, say for example in case of carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide, the two elements are carbon and oxygen. They combine to form two or more compounds. ठीक है? Either they combine to form only two compounds, they may form two or more compounds, as in the case of nitrogen oxides. Then the different masses of one element means the different masses of oxygen, which combines with a fixed mass of the other. They bear a simple ratio to one another. Understood? Statement को लिखेंगे. Now it would be more clear when we deal with the examples. Screenshot ले लीजिए एक बार. So let us try to understand law of multiple proportion by taking an example of various oxides of nitrogen. This is one of the very important example. If I will make your paper, I will definitely give this question. So it's very important. Pay attention, okay? So oxides of nitrogen. First of all, just recall the definition. Recall the statement of law of multiple proportion. Oxide कब बनता है? Whenever any element combines with oxygen, it forms oxide. Here, that element is nitrogen. It combines with oxygen and it forms various oxygen. First, come to the statement. What is the statement of law of multiple proportion? See, wherever any two elements, here the elements are, first element is nitrogen, another element is oxygen. Whenever any two elements, they combine together to form two or more than two compounds. These are the different compounds of nitrogen with oxygen. N2O, NO, N2O3, trioxide, NO2, N2O5. Okay? The different masses of one element, these are the different masses of one element which combine with a fixed mass of the other. This is the fixed mass of nitrogen. They bear a simple ratio. ठीक है? तो अब इसको समझते हैं. First column में oxides है. These are the various oxides of nitrogen. It's very important. In the second column, see mass in grams is nitrogen and oxygen. Come to see this formula N2O. Nitrogen mass number, atomic mass कितना होता है? 14. So 14 twos are, because 2 है ratio में 2:1 है, so 28, and oxygen it is 16. Oxygen is 16, nitrogen is 14. Second case is 1:1. So nitrogen 14 and oxygen is 16. Third case is 2:3. So nitrogen it is 14, 14 2s are 28, and oxygen it is 16, so 16 3s are 48. Next one, NO2, nitrogen is 14 because ratio is 1:2. Oxygen is 16 multiplied by 2, you will get 32. N2O5 ratio is 2:5. 14 2s are 28 and 16 5s are is 80. ठीक है, this is the mass in grams of nitrogen and oxygen in different compounds of nitrogen oxide. Come to the column number 3. Here mass of oxygen for 14 grams of nitrogen. Suppose if you see this column, you will get a simple number is 14, you know, and this is 28. So if you want to fix the mass of nitrogen, say 14 grams, so this 28, if it is divided by 2, you will get 14. Here it is also, if it is divided by 2, you will get 14. Same as here. So we have to find mass of oxygen which combines with a fixed mass of nitrogen, and that fixed mass of nitrogen is 14. Okay, so in the first case, if you divide this 28 by 2, you will get 14. Got it? So if यहाँ पे आपने डिवाइड किया तो आपको यहाँ पे भी डिवाइड करना होगा. सिंपल सी बात है. अगर नाइट्रोजन का वेट आप हाफ कर रहे हैं तो ऑक्सीजन का जो वेट है वो भी हाफ हो जाएगा. So 16 divided by 2, you will get 8. Second, it is 14 itself. No need to change. 14 and oxygen would remain as it is 16. In third case, it is 28. Again, you have to divide by 2 to get the 14 grams of nitrogen. 14. 48 divided by 2, you will get 24. So here the weight of oxygen comes out to be 24. In the next category, here it is 14. So no need to change. Oxygen weight is 32. Write it 32. 28 again divided by 2. 80 divided by 2, that is 40. So in the third column, you got the different masses of oxygen which combine with a fixed mass of nitrogen. Different mass of one element which combine with a fixed mass of the other. Now 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. Do they bear any fixed ratio? Yes. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32 and 8 5s are 40. 1:2:3:4:5 का एक सिंपल रेशियो बियर करता है. अगेन एक बार स्टेटमेंट को समझेंगे. Whenever any two elements they combine together to form two or more compounds, different masses of one element which combine with the fixed mass of other bear a simple ratio. This is law of multiple proportion. I hope student this law is clear and this is very important example. ये आप इसको बहुत अच्छे से याद कर लीजिएगा. Stay tuned with the channel. In case of any doubt, in case of any questions, you can put it in your WhatsApp group of respective classes. Thank you everybody for watching the video. Stay tuned with the channel. Don't forget to press the bell button if you find this video useful in your academics. Thank you everybody.